Good morning. So another beautiful day. Just had 3 inches of snow outside, or 4. So I thought I'd give you a little update here on what we're doing. We're reassembling the 8940. There's the hood. We're down here putting the grill back together. Some more parts left to do. Getting there. So we can get a decal on here today. Maybe get this door finished up. There's the interior all put back together. All new headliner, new foam, everything cleaned. We got most of the back together. LED lights. And moving right along, maybe a couple more days and we'll have this old girl put back together. Here's a little look at the Imron Clear. Looking pretty nice. So there you go. We'll do another one. We'll get her put together here and we'll get you another one. Have a nice day.